Ours is a knowledge management company called Gantech Information Systems Private Limited. We are into knowledge services in 4 sectors: education, agriculture, healthcare and e-governance. We have a public-private partnership with ICR Institute called NAM, and we run knowledge portals. So this is a very good event which is happening. So we said let's participate and showcase to the globe what is that we are doing from the knowledge perspective. And the response is good. We had people from various countries coming and talking to us, and hopefully we expect that there will be some end of the day some sort of interactions that will fructify into some sort of business. That's what we expect. We are into 4 fields, basically innovation and knowledge management in education, agriculture, healthcare and e-governance. So we provide the high-end consulting, and we also work on sustainable development using ICTs and mergers and acquisitions, and we position ourselves as a trusted partner for interface to all Indian IT companies. We have right now services which are not reaching to the farmer. So what we propose to do is we want to take Panchayat as a unit, develop a ERP for grabbing the micro data of a Panchayat, and then based on that micro data which is accurate, plan for the Panchayat, that is capturing into a ERP, the micro data is only 10% of the effort. Then we want to have innovations to ensure that that particular micro data is used for increasing the economy. Economy is what I am talking about is a macro economy, that is the income of the particular Panchayat, the unemployment level and the inflation and deflation figures of the Panchayat, and then see that that is escalated to Mandal, district, state and then to the nation. So basically using ICT as a powerful medium to see that there is a marked improvement with respect to the lives of the people, because we are not looking at ICT as a money-making cow. We are looking at it as a medium for improving the lives of people, which unfortunately is not happening as far as our country is concerned, and most of the third world countries are concerned. So we want to use that as a medium to improving their lives.